After a growing season, what should be done in a greenhouse before winter to better handle the following spring? First of all, if the temperatures drop in the garden, there are still tomatoes and young cuttings in the greenhouse. The absence of sunlight and lack of ventilation increase the humidity inside. Without heating, damaged tomatoes rot because of botrytis. The priority is to remove affected fruits and ventilate the greenhouse in the morning to eliminate condensation inside the windows. In an unheated greenhouse, it is possible to keep a few tomato plants for a longer period by taking care to remove the young yellow leaves that dry out. Any tired or damaged plants must be systematically removed from the greenhouse. The used substrate, which was used for cultivation, must also be taken out of the greenhouse. Clean and rinse the seed trays and containers with black soap, a natural product that won't later poison future plants or seedlings. The clay pots are scrubbed, ready to be used once again. A greenhouse allows for successful cuttings in the summer. As soon as the days shorten, be strict about plant hygiene. All yellow, wilted or dead leaves should be systematically removed. A small alteration leads to general rot in a few days. Hidden pests on a plant can infest the entire greenhouse. This is the case with whiteflies, also commonly known as whiteflies, which are very difficult to eradicate. They have preferences, like here with the calidoane. Place the infested plant in an open bag and automatically a swarm of whiteflies will fly away elsewhere. The strategy is to wait a day for the whiteflies to return to their tall plant, and then gently close the bag, not forgetting the yellow sticky tape rolls to catch the last whiteflies lost in the greenhouse. Clean the interior gutters with a water jet and a brush. On the outside, spray lubricant on the sliding doors, then finish by hosing down the windows and gutters filled with moss and dead leaves. A greenhouse that captures winter light and sunlight stores more heat for the benefit of the plants inside.